Cherry, Romeo and Juliet, A Life Less Ordinary, I Know Where I'm Going, Easy Virtue, Their Finest, Magic in the Moonlight, My Beautiful Laundrette, My Beautiful Laundrette, Yesterday, Yesterday, Mickey Blue Eyes, Mickey Blue Eyes, Juliet Naked, Not Another Happy Ending, Miss Pettigrew Lives for a Day, More Miss Pettigrew Lives for a Day 42, 66, The Best Movies About Getting Dumped 55 of 113, The Best Screwball Comedies. I give it a year. I give it a year. Starter for 10. Starter for 10. Chalet Girl, Emma, More Emma, 316 of 369, The Best Movies Based on Books 5 of 78, The Best Period Romance Movies 67 of 105, The Greatest Movie Remakes of All Time. The Importance of Being Earnest. Hampstead, The Holiday, or The Holiday 153, 355, The Best Rainy Day Movies 68 of 127, The Best Christmas Movies of All Time. Salmon Fishing in the Yemen, Emma, The Englishman Who Went Up a Hill But Came Down a Mountain, Shakespeare in Love, Much Ado About Nothing, Much Ado About Nothing, The Young Victoria, More The Young Victoria 313 of 1189, Every Oscar-winning film ever 11 of 78, The Best Period Romance Movies 73 of 105, The Best Valentine's Day Movies. Sliding Doors, Sliding Doors, One Day, One Day, Me Before You, Me Before You, Shaun of the Dead, Bridget Jones, The Edge of Reason, Bend It Like Beckham, About a Boy, More About a Boy 37 of 56, The Best Christmas Rom-Coms 14 of 40, The Best Movies About Men Raising Kids. Love, Rosie, Man Up, Man Up. About Time. Four Weddings and a Funeral. Bridget Jonesy's Diary. Notting Hill. Love Actually.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.